Hi folks, Russ from ProsteamUK here. Now today we are working in a commercial property. The keys are being handed back to the landlord, but before that happens, the carpets have all got to be cleaned. So I'm just going to walk through this area just to show you how the carpets look at the moment. Okay, and we will return back to this room once we have cleaned the carpets. So as you can see, dirty traffic areas. This is where people walk and they track dirt in from outside. That's typical of tea, coffee spillages, or sugary fizzy drinks. What you can see there again here, spots and things. Okay, so we'll take care of them, and what you see is obviously all the dirt and everything, and that will be removed. Now we've done this office here, so you can see the difference in colour between the carpet out here and the carpet inside the office. So the carpet looks grey in here, now it's been cleaned, whereas out here it almost looks sort of beige. So there you go. I mean, if I stand here, it's no trick photography, you can see a complete difference in colour there. So let's return back to this room, and we're going to do this area here next. Okay, and we will see then how much better the carpet is looking. Right, we're about halfway through this job now, so I thought it would be a good moment to take some more video and to show you how we're getting on. So this portion of the carpet has been cleaned using our low moisture method, and can you guess where we haven't cleaned? Well, I think the results pretty much speak for themselves. So there you have it, folks. Now, carpet tiles do not like to get over, you can't really get them too wet. And the reason why is because they tend to go brown when they get too wet, and then you're in a whole heap of trouble. So our cleaning method is somewhere between the two. So we will use steam cleaning on heavily soiled areas, but I would say 90% of the carpet is cleaned using low moisture. We go to the entrance here where people will track in a lot of dirt. As you can see, the carpet looks quite yellow, and that will look considerably better once we've completed. Anyway, there you go. The results speak for themselves. Let's come back to this once we have completed the room, and we'll have a look at how much better it looks then. Right, that's the job finished. Parts of the carpet are still drying out. I think you'll agree that does look heaps better. This was a restoration clean, so I don't think these carpets have been cleaned professionally for a long time. So they were packed with dirt, especially around desk areas and that. And we've improved the look of the carpet massively. Around the sink area was very dirty. The carpet had yellowed, and even though it still looks yellow, that's going to be down to liquid spilt, tea, coffee, whatever. But we've managed to improve the appearance of the carpet a lot, and also on the main entrance here, that's looking a lot better. So there you have it, folks. If you would like your office carpet cleaned, then contact www.ProsteamUK.com.